Good day, everyone. Working out number 8 of CSEC Mathematics, paper 2, June 2022. We are in section 2, doing algebra relations, functions, and graphs. And this question is an inequalities question. All right, we are dealing with some linear programming here. Rental company has X cars and Y minivans. The company has at least 8 vehicles altogether. The number of minivans is less than or equal to the number of cars. The number of cars is no more than 9. So write down 3 inequalities in terms of X and or Y other than X more than or equal to 0. And Y is more than or equal to 0 to represent this information. So let us begin. The company has X cars and Y minivans, so you put a plus sign there, and has at least 8 vehicles altogether. So 8 or more. So more than or equal to 8. All right, at least 8 vehicles, so 8 or more. Number 2, the number of minivans is less than or equal to the number of cars. So Y, which is the number of minivans, is less than or equal to X, which is the number of cars. Third inequality, the number of cars is no more than 9. So X is the number of cars. It could be less than or equal to 9. It cannot be more than 9. Those are our 3 inequalities that represent the information. A car can carry 4 people and a minivan can carry 6 people. There are at most 60 persons to be taken on a tour. So we're going to show that 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. So we have 4 times x will give us the number of people carried in cars, plus 6 times y will give us the number of people carried in minivans. And it must be less than or equal to 60 because it cannot exceed 60. It could be less than, it could be equal to, it cannot be more than 60. Now we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2 in the 4, 2x, plus 2 in the 6, 3y is less than or equal to 2 in the 60 is 30, right? So we have shown the inequation that was asked of us. Moving along. On the grid below, plot the 4 lines associated with inequalities in A and B. All right, so shade and label the region that satisfies all 4 inequalities. Capital R. All right, so we are looking for a region. So let's get those 4 inequalities and write them down. All right, I will write down x plus y more than or equal to 8. The other one is y is less than or equal to x. And the other one is x is less than or equal to 9. And the other one is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. All right, so we have those 4 equations there, and we have to represent that on this grid provided. So let's plot x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. So for this one, when x equals 0, y is equal to 8. And when y equals 0, x equals 8. All right, so 0, 8, and 8, 0. All right, we could use our third point for verification. Right here, and right here, right? So our third point, let's say x equals 4, y equals 4. All right, x equals 4, y equals 4, which is here. All right, so let us draw a straight line through these points, like so. And this is let's make sure I get this thing properly done. Yeah, trying to be as accurate as possible. Very good. All right. So let's move on to the other one. Y is less than or equal to x. Okay, so when x equal 1, x equal 1, y equal 1. So we have a 1, 1. So we have 0, 0, we have 3, 3. These are 3 points that we could plot. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 3. Which is right here. And we just draw a straight line going through there. Through these 3 points. All right, this will be x equal, y is equal to x. This one over here was x plus y equal 8. That's the name of the graph. That's the equation of the graph, sorry. And the next one, x is less than or equal to 9. So all we're doing is going straight up with our line. From x equal 9, we go straight up. All right, so just keep going up. All right, let me see, right. So let's say I have straight line there, x equal 9. Now we want to get 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. So when y is equal to 0, x will be equal to 15 for that one. All right, so if we have 2x plus 3y, 30, we substitute y equals 0. And that will give us 2x equal 30, and x will be 30 divided by 2, which is 15, which will give us the point 15, 0 as a point on the line. Also, we could say x equals 0, which means 3y will be equal to 30, since 2 times 0 is 0. Divide both sides by 3, at 10, which will give us the point 0, 10. All right, and we can throw in our third point. Let's say x equal 3. All right, so 2 3s are 6. 30 minus 6. And y is equal to 24 over 3. We get 8. So we have the point 3, 8. So we have 3 points. 15, 0, which is here. All right, and we have 0, 10, which is here. And then we have 3, 8, which is here. All right, so with our long rulers and pencils, we draw a line that connects these 3 points. All right, that is 2x plus 3y equal 30. That's the equation of that line. So this is what we have now. We want to find the region which satisfies the following inequalities. X plus y is greater than or equal to 8. That will be above this equation, this line. X plus y is more than or equal to 8. More than is above. Equal to is on the line. And less than is below the line. So you want a region above the line and including the line. Y is less than or equal to x, which is to the left of this straight vertical line here. To the left, and including the line also. X is less than or equal to 9. Sorry, y is less than or equal to x is below the line y equal x, including the line. Well, x is less than or equal to 9 is to the left of the line x equal 9. 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 30 is below this graph going across here, right? So this is the region that we need to shade. This is R, capital R, right? Right, and this region consists of 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a pentagon. The region is a pentagon. All right. Determine the two combinations for the minimum number of cars and minivans that can be used to carry exactly 60 people on the tour. So they don't want less than or more than. What they want is exactly 60, which is an equation, right? Equal sign. We're using the equal sign. So this vertex has the coordinates 9, 4. This vertex up here has the coordinates 6 and 6. This vertex here has the coordinates 4 and 4. This vertex has the coordinates 8, 0. And this one next to it has the coordinates 9, 0. So we have 5 pairs of coordinates to work with. All right, we have 6, 6. We have 4, 4. We have 9, 4, 8, 0, and 9, 0. All right, so we have to test each one of these coordinates to see if it satisfies the condition given to us. So 2 combinations for the minimum number of cars. Okay, so all right, so if the first number is the variable x, which is the number of cars, the second number is the variable y, which is the number of minivans. So 6 times x, all right, the minimum number of cars. That carry exactly 60 people on the tour. So let us go back to our equation. All right, so we're saying, okay, 4x plus 6y is less than or equal to 60, right? We have to go back and use that. So we have 4x plus 6y is less than or equal to 60, right? Right, 4x plus 6y. Right. So remember, our car could only hold 4 people and a minivan could only hold 6 people. So we have 6 cars. So 4 times 6 plus 6 times y, which is 6. That'll be equal to 24 plus 36, which is exactly 60. So this is one that we want. We want to get this one. And over here now, we have 4 times. We are substituting values of x into our equation here. 4 times 4. And then y is equal to 4 now. So 6 times 4 is equal to 16 plus 24, which is 40, which is unacceptable because we want to get exactly 60 people. So we eliminate that possibility. 4 times 9, x is 9 plus 6 times 4, so we get 36 plus 24, which is exactly 60. Yes, this is one that we want to keep. So we have our 2 answers already, but let us just work out the others just to make sure. 4 times 8 plus 6 times y is equal to 8 4s are 32 plus 0, which is 32. This is eliminated. And 9, 4 times 9 plus 6 times 0, 36 plus 0, which is 36, which is also eliminated because we want to get exactly 60. All right. So we have found our 2 combinations for the minimum number of cars and minivans that can carry exactly 60 people. The combinations are, so the answer now, right, let's write the answer here. All right, you have 6 cars and 6 minivans. That's one combination, and that's number 1. Number 2 now, you have 9 cars and 4 minivans. All right, so those are the 2 combinations. Company charges $75 to rent a car and $90 to rent a minivan. So that the minimum rental cost for the store is $990. All right, so we have the two combinations, 6 cars and 6 minivans, $75 to rent the 6 cars and $90 for each minivan. So 75 times 6 plus 90 times 6 will give us total rental costs for this combination. 90 times 6 is 540, which is also $990. Right, this is our answer. Let us just work out the other one to prove that it's wrong. 9 cars, so 75 times 9, remember 9 cars and 4 minivans, plus 90 times 4. Let us see how that works. 75 times 9, I got 675. And then 90 times 4 is 360. That gives us $1,035. All right, so based on our calculations, this is the minimum rental cost for the store. Therefore, right, for 6 cars and 6 minivans, the minimum rental cost for the store is $990. All right, minivans. All right. That's the answer for this question 8. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.